How to stay on track with healthy habits on the weekend. For many people, weekends are a respite from the daily demands of our work lives. Thus, when Friday afternoon comes, we're tempted to either party or do absolutely nothing productive. However, you should look at weekends as an asset to take advantage of. Ultimately, by eating healthy, focusing on your health, and by balancing your responsibilities, you'll be able to stay on track with healthy habits on the weekend. Focusing on your health. 1. Devote some time to exercise. One of the best habits you can form during the weekend is exercise. Strive for a good balance of cardiovascular exercise, weight training, and stretching. Ultimately, the weekend will allow you spare time to get exercise you don't normally get during the week. 2. Put aside time for rest and relaxation. Make sure you have some downtime so you can recharge during the weekend. This is important, as overcoming to demanding activities will wear you out and may impact your health. 3. Stick to a sleep schedule. While it may be difficult, sticking to a good sleep schedule is one of the best habits for your weekend. This is because a work-free weekend offers you the option of staying up late and sleeping in. But in the end, both options may negatively impact your health. 4. Consume alcohol responsibly. Partying, socializing, and drinking alcohol is another important aspect of many people's weekends. As a result, you need to make sure you embrace safe and healthy party habits so you don't put your health at risk. Binge drinking is defined as more than 4 drinks within 2 hours for women and more than 5 drinks for men, and it's unhealthy and unsafe. Balancing your responsibilities. 1. Avoid work-related activities if possible. A great healthy habit, both physically and psychologically, is to stay away from work-related activities during the weekend. This is important as work will take time away from other aspects of a positive, balanced weekend. Without exercise, relaxation, and social activities, you won't be able to recharge so you can be happy and healthy for the week ahead. 2. Avoid overcommitting to social activities. You might be tempted to overcommit to a variety of social activities since you have a substantial amount of free time. However, overcommitting may stress you out and undermine your ability to enjoy whatever activities you do commit to. Eating healthy. 1. Go food shopping. For many people, the weekend allows time to get some desperately needed grocery shopping done. By having groceries, you'll make sure that you can prepare meals during the weekend and have healthy foods available at your home during the week. 2. Set aside time for cooking. Extra time on the weekend will provide you with extra time to cook and eat things you don't normally have the time to cook. Cooking will save you money, help you eat healthy, and may be relaxing. 3. Avoid junk food. While you may be tempted to enjoy your weekend by eating junk food or fast food, this is one of the worst things you can do. Ultimately, indulging in junk food during the weekend is counterproductive to your overall health and well-being.